Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assigning focus to a reliable input. Do this now so you can react without fumbling. While fighting, build the focus gauge deliberately by landing or absorbing light exchanges, because the meter grows faster under consistent pressure. Once you have 20-40% gauge, hold the focus input and step into range. This first activation sets timing and posture. Make sure to keep your movement light so you don't waste stamina, and prepare to follow up immediately when the opponent shows an opening. After you hold focus and the opponent commits, release to create a brief vulnerability. This is your chance to counter. Once released, step forward with a light dash or a quick jab to occupy space. Those choices give you frame advantage versus most moves. If you have only partial meter, convert into short, safe follow-ups. If you save the full meter, commit to riskier combos that deal more damage. Keep checking spacing so your follow-up isn't blocked by a crouch or sidestep. To finish a sequence, use focus as a bait tool. Provoke a reversal and then punish decisively, since focus opens stronger counter windows. Once done, if your focus whiffs or gets blocked, immediately retreat to reset spacing and rebuild the meter with feints and light strikes to avoid punishment. If opponents keep predicting your release, make a small delay. Delay the release by a fraction of a second to break their rhythm. A quick troubleshooting tip. If focus is consistently punished, increase your feint frequency and shorten your commitment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.